Your skin has a history. Your skin carries a story far older than you are. It's a living record of your ancestors, where they lived, how they survived, and the environments that shaped them. Skin color isn't just a shade. It's an adaptation, a biological response to the world our species has walked through for thousands of years. To understand why humans have different skin colors, we have to go back to where our story begins: Africa. Early humans lived under intense sunlight, and their bodies needed protection. The sun's ultraviolet radiation can damage DNA, weaken the immune system, and reduce folate, a nutrient essential for healthy development. So the body evolved a natural shield, melanin. Melanin is the pigment that gives skin its color. It acts like a built-in sunscreen, absorbing and scattering UV radiation. In places with strong sunlight, darker skin offered a powerful advantage. It protected early humans from sun damage and helped them stay healthy enough to survive, reproduce, and pass on their genes. But humans are travelers. Over thousands of years, groups migrated out of Africa into regions with weaker sunlight, places where UV radiation was low, winters were long, and the sun was often hidden behind clouds. In these environments, having too much melanin became a disadvantage. Darker skin blocked UV light so effectively that the body struggled to produce enough vitamin D, which depends on sunlight. Vitamin D is essential for strong bones, immune function, and overall health. So in regions with limited sunlight, lighter skin evolved. It allowed the body to absorb more UV radiation, helping people produce the vitamin D they needed to survive. This is the heart of the story. Skin color is not about race. It's about geography, sunlight, and survival. Different environments shaped different adaptations. Darker skin protected people near the equator. Lighter skin helped people in northern climates. And in between, countless variations emerged, each one a reflection of the land, the climate, and the journey of the people who lived there. Your skin tone is not random. It's a map, a memory, a history written in biology, and the story continues. The truth about skin colors. As humans kept moving, mixing, and adapting, skin color continued to evolve. But somewhere along the way, people began to misunderstand what skin color really meant. Instead of seeing it as a natural adaptation, societies turned it into a symbol, a label, a category, a way to divide. Yet biologically, the differences are incredibly small. All humans share 99.9% of the same DNA. The tiny fraction that influences skin color is just one of many traits shaped by environment. Two people with the same skin tone can be genetically very different, while two people with different skin tones can be remarkably similar. Skin color is a surface detail, not a measure of worth, intelligence, identity, or belonging. Melanin doesn't tell you who someone is. It tells you where their ancestors lived, and the story gets even more interesting. Skin color can change over generations when people move to new environments. If a population with dark skin lives for thousands of years in a low sunlight region, their descendants may gradually develop lighter skin. The reverse is also true. Human biology is flexible, responsive, and always adapting. This means something powerful. Skin color is temporary. Humanity is permanent. The variations we see today are snapshots in a long evolutionary journey. A journey shaped by sunlight, climate, and migration, not by categories or divisions. When you look at your skin, you're seeing the echo of ancient landscapes, the brightness of deserts, the shade of forests, the softness of northern skies. Your skin carries the memory of the world your ancestors walked through. And when you look at someone else's skin, you're seeing their history, not their value, not their character, not their potential, just their story. Understanding the truth about skin color doesn't erase our differences, it explains them. It shows us that diversity isn't an accident, it's a masterpiece shaped by nature, time, and survival. Your skin has a history, and every shade tells a story worth respecting.